Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start new Oxford Modern English Book 1, page number 29, unit number 3, part 2. It's a poem, Up and Down. First of all, we will read words to know. First word is again, once more. Second word, bottom, the lowest part of. Third word, watch out, to look carefully and be ready for something dangerous. Students, now we will start reading of this poem. Hoppity, hoppity, hop, 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 all the way up to the top, top, top. Down again, skip, skip, skip. Watch out, go slow or you will slip, slip, slip. Hoppity, hoppity, hop, hop, hop. All the way up to the top, top, top. Down again, jump, jump, jump. Don't fall to the bottom, bump, bump, bump. Students, we have done our reading. Now we will underline all the difficult words for the dictation. First word, hoppity. Hoppity means jumping on one foot like this. Second word, again, means once more. Third word, watch out, means be careful. Bottom, as we have read in words to know, the lowest part of something. Again, down again, and last word is jump. And one more word is slip. Students, now you have to mention it over here. 22:4. Read it carefully and learn all the difficult words which we have underlined. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.